duty belt and handcuff review. So we'll start from my left, and then we'll start from my left, and go all the way to my right. So the belt itself is a Bianchi. Love this belt. I had it for about I had to say about a year now. So starting right here, I had the clip, double clip, not try clip. Then next to that, I have a Bianchi. Sorry, not a Bianchi. Off-brand handcuff case. It's kind of beat up. I've used it a lot. And then I just got these in yesterday. They're the Asp Model 100 chained cuffs. I haven't had a chance to use them yet, but they're pretty good. And then right here, I have a Bianchi Patrol Tech belt keeper, like it. Next to that, I have a Bianchi Patrol Tech key holder. It holds my primary key and my backup universal keys, as well as my CPR mask. Like it. And then next to that, I carry another Bianchi Patrol Tech belt keeper. Then next to that, I have what I put my flashlight in. Then next to that, another Bianchi. Yeah. Next to that flashlight holder, I have another Bianchi Patrol Tech belt keeper. Then next to that, I have a glove pouch. Works. Then next to that, I have another Bianchi Patrol Tech belt keeper. And next to that, I have Smith & Wesson Model 300 hinged cuffs. And Smith & Wesson let me see. Give me a minute, guys. I'm trying to see. There, Smith & Wesson Model 300-1, I think. Another Smith & Wesson Model 300s. And then I have other new stuff that I got. It's an open top Bianchi Patrol Tech open top handcuff case. Love it. And next to that, I have another belt keeper. Again, Bianchi Patrol Tech. Then next to that, I have a radio holster that's on a swivel. Does come off. I had to get off with just one hand though. Then next to that, I have another belt keeper, Bianchi. All my belt keepers are Bianchi. And then I have my phone case and my OtterBox right here, the platform. And next to that, I have another Bianchi Patrol Tech belt keeper. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the duty belt part. Now we'll get into my handcuffs. So I had these for 2 years now. They've held up pretty good. I like them. I don't use them a lot because I'm just an explorer, but they do come in as a good scare tactic tool. What I do like about them is they're good for if you have a non-compliant suspect or whatever, and they have the keyhole right here to double lock them. And then, well, just like your standard handcuff, you can do that. So that's pretty much it for the hinge. Now these I just got in, okay? They're ASP Model 100 chain cuffs, so they're very easy to, very light, which I like them. So there's a lot of things I like about these. They're light, and they have keyholes on both sides, as well as you don't have to put the little pin in there to double lock them. You could just turn one way and it double locks. Same on both sides, and then I could go more in depth in a later video on each of them. I use these a whole lot for when I never got a chance to use these. But if you do have a heavier set person, you could take, what's good about having a double set of cuffs is you could take one pair, if you have two, and do this. So one cuff goes on one wrist, and then you have this cuff right here that goes on the other cuff, and then you have this one that can go on the other wrist. I like that because a lot of times I do deal with people that are heavier set, and I can handcuff them if I have to, which it's pretty good. Then the Smith and then my ass, they're on the swivel, so I can turn them whichever way. I would only use these on a person that's being compliant, or if I need another pair. These are actually my primary handcuffs, so these will be the first ones I go to. Secondary, I get out of my hinge. So yeah, and then I'll show you my handcuff key. But all three of my handcuff keys work on my chain. They're universal. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.